Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. Yeah, HBAR did come down quite a bit. It sort of followed my account here further. The wave 3 was quite a bit extended. Did, I think, last time update the channel members here on Discord, Telegram with a signal that wave 4 was ongoing. Yeah, this then came down lower. Possibly completed the 5th wave now, but we need to be watching. At the moment, no strong sign it did. But certainly we need to be watching now for a possible bottom. Key support is here 5 cents. I'm counting it as a 1-2-1-2 setup. Other interpretations are possible, I have to say that very clearly as well. But it's, for me, yeah, at the moment, the way this looks, best way to count it from a bullish point of view. Okay, so we've got here down there a wave 1-2 setup, and then here another 1-2 setup. But also have to say that there are different possibilities. Could also put the actually I think the 1-2 would work better down here, and then we've got another 1-2 here. That would actually make me consider redrawing the fibs slightly to the downside. Okay, yeah, that makes more sense. Actually, I think I had it originally like that. But either way, we've got a 1-2-1-2 setup. That is, by the way, also with this count, it makes more sense because it reacted perfectly to the 61.8 retrace. So that gives me more confidence, yeah. So basically we've come down to the 61.8 retracement. We've got 5 waves down. Yeah, why 5? Just because I'm counting it as a wave 1 top here on the 21st of January. That was around 8 cents. Yeah, we came down then in an A wave, in my opinion, rallied in an overshooting B wave, and then came down in C. Quite impulsive, the move down, but not a problem in a C wave. And yeah, but this should be over now. If it drops down to 4.65 cents, that's still acceptable. That's still acceptable. Did I say expected? No, acceptable. That's still acceptable in a wave 2, yeah, to come into this lower region here. But if it drops anywhere below 4.6 cents, it will create some issues, yeah, because then this is starting to get very impulsive to the downside, and if it loses the 4.6 cent level, it's basically dropping below support, and that would then increase probabilities for another bear market low. I have to say that very clearly. If we zoom out a little bit, at the moment I'm counting the move down here complete on the 31st of December, but as you know, so basically the bear market complete, but as you know, typically when we get 5 waves up, yeah, it's always the wave 2 that needs to confirm. It's always the wave 2 that needs to confirm. You can have an impulse to the upside, but if the wave 2 doesn't hold, it's going to break down. So that's the key level here. Really, really relevant level. Reacted to the 5.4 cent level. We're currently holding above it. Need to be watching if it's reversing here. If Bitcoin is starting to move up at some point here, yeah, HBAR will probably as well. Best indication that a low has been formed would be at the moment a break above the last swing high. That's at 6.1 cents. Even better would be a break above the wave 4 high at 6.6 cents, but below 4.6 cents, things are gonna get very difficult, and a bullish interpretation is getting seriously challenged. So by that point, I would lose trust in a bullish interpretation, and we would be focusing here fully on the downside to new lows below the 3.5 cent level. So at the moment I'm looking at this wave 2, this ABC structure, as an expanded flat. We can, let me go to the daily chart. So what we see here on the daily is, like many other cryptos, we've now entered the oversold range. Last time we were in the same range, the same level. We had quite a significant rally. Reduction in negative momentum. The blue MACD line is starting to turn around. It's a bit too early on the daily though to confirm that. On the 8-hour chart, however, we've already made a bullish crossover on the MACD, yeah, and also we had bullish divergences there from that last swing low to from the wave 3 swing low to the wave 5 swing low, bullish divergence, and the RSI is giving us, or also gave us, by the way, here a bullish crossover on the 8-hour chart. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is also hovering above the moving average here on the 8-hour on the RSI, so basically bullish crossover and bullish crossover on the MACD. So it's going to get interesting. I mean, we need to be watching now. Can we deliver and develop an impulse from here? I think it's time, yeah, either from here or from 4.6 cents, and the drop below that would unlock prices below 3.5 cents. Okay, that's my update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.